this video, you will learn about how to clean the Survivor Filter straw water filter. Once you have used your Survivor filter for an extended period of time, you can follow these cleaning instructions. After you have disassembled your filter, clean these parts with warm soapy water and place them on a paper towel to dry completely. Then, take the ultrafilter and soak it in a combination of vinegar and warm water. Do not soak the carbon filter in vinegar, as this can damage the carbon fibers. Instead, you can soak the carbon filter in warm water and rinse out the cotton pre-filter. When the ultrafilter has been soaked for 10 to 15 minutes, you can rinse it with warm water to get rid of the vinegar. Shake out the excess water from the filter elements and place them on the paper towel to dry completely. When dry, you can reassemble the filter before placing in storage. The Survivor filter should be kept in a dry environment when being stored for long periods of time. Thank you for watching this video. You can check out our website and YouTube channel for other helpful information about the Survivor filter.